Crypto is like the Wild West. There's gold in them there hills, but also plenty of bandits waiting around to take it when you find some. If you want to maximize your crypto gains while avoiding drawdowns, being aware of common scams and how to avoid them is a must. That's what we're covering in this video. Keep watching to find out how scammers target crypto investors and what you can do to protect your capital. Phishing scams. Phishing scams are one of the most commonly fallen for scams in crypto. They involve sending you a link to a page that looks real but has actually been designed to steal your information and money. Scammers go to great lengths to make their phishing sites look as authentic as possible. They often promise huge rewards for entering your information quickly as well, such as awesome rewards for only the first 100 people to access the site. Phishing links can be sent via email, Twitter, or even Discord. Prominent NFT servers like Bored Ape Yacht Club have been hacked by scammers using this method, so it's definitely one to be aware of as you operate in the crypto ecosystem. Pump and dump schemes. When people think of crypto scams, they tend to imagine sophisticated hackers getting access to private keys through incredible technological know-how. But often, the most dangerous scams are those you invest in voluntarily. Pump and dump schemes are crypto tokens and NFT projects that are specifically designed to lure in investors and then pull the rug by stealing all the invested funds once the project reaches a certain market cap. These projects tend to look extremely promising and make you feel like you're investing in the next big thing. They often use fraudulent celebrity endorsements and unsustainable tokenomics. They're usually built by entirely anonymous teams as well. Fake giveaways. If you're active on crypto Twitter and Reddit, then you may already know how common fake giveaway scams are. You can't look at the replies on a post without seeing a dozen people linking to incredible giveaways that sound too good to be true. These should definitely be avoided. They often contain phishing links that are designed to steal your information. They even gather things like your email address and Twitter handle to target you with more scams at a later date. How to spot crypto scams and stay safe. Fake giveaways, pump and dump schemes, and phishing attacks are the most common vectors that bad actors use to steal crypto funds. To stay safe, you need to be able to identify these scams when you see them. There are a few ways to do that. First, pay attention to offers that seem too good to be true. Always ask yourself what the person giving away the token, NFT, or money has to gain by doing so. Nobody is going to give you something for nothing, so keep that in mind before you provide your information or click on a link. It's also important to watch out for offers that have a super fast deadline. For example, if a link gets posted on a Discord server that says, "Only the first 100 people will be able to mint a new NFT," that's often going to be a scam, even if it's a server that you trust because it could have been hacked. And finally, make sure that you always do your research before giving anyone your information or making any investments. There are a lot of great opportunities in crypto, and it pays to be early. But if you invest based on hype alone, you're much likelier to fall into a situation where you get taken advantage of. If you get into the habit of taking these steps while navigating the crypto landscape, you should have no problem taking advantage of the upside of crypto without getting scammed. We hope this video has been helpful. What kinds of scams do you see the most? Have you ever fallen victim to one? Comment your answer below to let us know. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.